Goochie's cocktail channel. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make a Jack the Ripper. Now this drink is incredibly easy to make. You only need 2 ingredients. You need a butterscotch schnapps and you need a Canadian whiskey. Given that I'm in Australia, the most obvious choice for a Canadian whiskey is Canadian Club, okay? I love Canadian Club. It's got a really smooth finish and it's got these beautiful vanilla undertones. And tonight, those undertones are really going to be complemented by the butterscotch schnapps. Alright, now to make this drink, the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a jar of some sort filled with ice. I don't have a fancy shaker, I just use jars. Next thing you want to do is add a shot of your butterscotch schnapps. And 2 shots of your Canadian Club. Put the lid on, and then you shake. We're done. Now, we need a fancy glass. I'm using a brandy glass for this drink. The recipe does call for a brandy glass. Next, I'm going to get my little tea strainer, pop that in the top, and I'm going to start pouring my Jack the Ripper. And voila! We are done. This is a Jack the Ripper. Hemingway once said, "I drink to make other people more interesting." And you know what, Ernest? I too also drink to make other people more interesting. But you know what? I also drink to make myself more interesting. Like, honestly. Are you really that arrogant? Anyway, cheers. This drink, the Jack the Ripper, is absolutely gorgeous. It's got a really smooth finish with hints of butterscotch schnapps. Like, it's so beautiful. I'm not sure why they call it a Jack the Ripper. Maybe it's got something to do with the fact that if you have 3 or 4 of these, you're going to end up on your back and maybe a victim to Jack the Ripper. Or maybe you turn into Jack the Ripper. I don't know. Personally, I'd call this liquid sunshine if I was the creator of this drink, but I'm not. So, on that happy note, make sure you try one of these. This drink is really beautiful, more enjoyable than the Godfather in my opinion, but that's just my opinion. Alright guys, if you want to see me, Goochie, make more cocktails, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you next time. Bye!